Hi everyone, I made my first pocket letter and I wanted to show you what I did. So I got this washi tape that I had and I just put it all the way on the edge here to dress that up a little bit. And I used all these patriotic papers that I got from Amazon. And these stickers I got from Dollar Tree. It's just a little chair here and it says USA. I put all sequins in the middle and washi tape all around. The blue and red sequins, the round little cups I've had, and I got these little, well, I shouldn't say little stars. There's little stars and big stars from Hobby Lobby. And this is another Dollar Tree sticker, and so is this one. And then for the ends here, I did little fireworks, and I was going to put them on the top of them and just put like a glue dot, but then I don't know, I ended up deciding for whatever reason to just stick the little fireworks inside and glue them inside. I don't know if that was a good idea. I was picturing just putting like a couple of them like around here. Here they would show up the most. I was going to put them on top of the page, but then I glued it in. So I don't know. What do you think? I could always recut the paper, put it in, and put these on the outside. I don't know. I had a time with these little things, but there's some gems on them here and a big gem in the middle. And the back is just plain. And the goodies that I was going to give, I don't know if they're going to fit in the pockets, so I might not put them in the back pockets, but just a mix of buttons, red, white, and blue, and there's some stars in here somewhere. There's a red star there and hair. And I opened this to stick these in the pockets, but maybe I won't do that. I'm not sure yet. They're red and blue stars, and there's like a holographic one in the middle. Well, they're all kind of holographic, but that, like, you know, silver holographic. I was going to stick some of these in there. I'm going to give her some roses, red, white, and blue. These are foam roses. So I'll give her 2 of each color for that. A roll of washi tape. Some sequins, and I will add some stars to this. I just haven't done it yet. These cute little star stickers from Walmart. This flag ribbon. And I just have some beads. I'm going to give her that. I had, as you guys know, I bought these little orbs before, so she's going to get one in blue, red, and there's a white one. And then she's going to get some of these just red crackle beads. I've looped them all, so all she has to do is attach it to something. So we have these red crackle beads. We have a few red and blue crackle beads. So red on one half, blue on the other. I have some of these beads that are red, clear crackle beads with red and blue in them. And so I'll give her a few. I put a bunch in there for her as well. So there's all red and blue speckles on these. So that's very patriotic. The theme was fireworks, and I didn't really know what to do for fireworks. I couldn't find any fireworks stickers. I don't have any cutout, like die cuts of fireworks. So what was I gonna do? And then I decided that I have this mirror cardstock that I've had, I don't know if I even used any of it, this stuff in all different colors. I have blue, red here, and I used this silver one. I have all colors, but that's what I used to make these fireworks. And what I did was I got one of the decorative scissors. Where's my scissor? On the floor, there where it belongs. I took this decorative scissor and I got a cereal box and I punched out a little hole that I would show you. Here it is. I punched out a little hole and then I cut all these little slivers. The thinner the better. So I got the blue, the red, and the silver. And I just, layered them up in all different sizes. I put some red and then cut them. I put some blue, made them a little bit shorter. Put the silver ones, made it a little shorter. Made them all different lengths, which you can kind of see a little bit. And I just laid them all up, kept cutting them, see how they looked. And then for the centerpiece in the middle, I just got these from Dollar Tree, and I used the red and blue ones. That's a perfect size, just big enough to make that firework in the middle. I think that if you were going to use one of these, it would be a little too small. So I think these big ones are good for that. A lot of times I buy these and I'm like, these are too big. What am I going to use it for? But in this instance, it worked out. So that's my pocket letter. I would have liked to put more in it. I just, didn't have the stuff. So hopefully my next one will be better. Oh, and I think I'm going to make a dangle here, like some red and blue beads or something over here. And if I do that, I'll end up showing you what I do. But for now, it's just about complete. And let me know what you think about this, if I should put these on the outer part with some glue dots or just leave it like that. I don't know. I stress too much about these things. You're just supposed to have fun. It's not supposed to be this whole technical thing. But you know how it goes. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.